The lease is up in 6 months, but have fun till then, dude.
Oh, I want to be like a little kid sitting in the driver's seat.
Oh, truck, didn't you?
Let's get rowdy tonight.
How's it going? How's it going? Good. Frank.
Josh.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I'm Frank.
Andrew.
Nice to meet you.
Kathy.
Nice to meet you. What happened to your foot, man?
I was struck by a car at work.
Oh, that sucks.
I work highway maintenance, and they got me at like 55 miles per hour.
I'm glad that's just your foot.
I know, it could be a whole lot worse.
I have my fair share of experience of never got hit, but almost getting hit by cars doing saw cutting for many years of my life. And
yeah.
these people are ridiculous. So if you guys are watching, slow down. It's ridiculous. Okay, got my rant out of the way. You excited?
Oh, yeah.
Pumped up, man?
Oh, yeah.
I like to usually build the anticipation up a little bit and get you in there. You know,
Yeah.
take your time, but it's freezing out. So
Oh, yeah. I don't know if I'm shaking because the nerves are cold.
probably both. I put this outside so you could see a taste
Oh,
of
yeah.
a similar looking thing. It's pretty crazy when you think about it.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna double check and make sure everyone's good, and then we can go. It's freezing. I know.
Oh, yeah,
Gotta
you're
get the
good.
show on the road.
Oh my God, that is gorgeous.
Yeah, that's our current giveaway running right now.
Oh, yeah.
I can't wait.
Rob,
Do you have any plans with it?
Yeah, well, plans here, plans there. Still haven't decided everything yet.
Yep.
All right, we're good to go. Be careful with the crutches on the floor. It's gonna be slippery, so really just make sure you're.
All right,
Because
sounds
it's-
good.
That's all.
Don't fall
I
over,
walked in. I
man.
was like, oh boy. Come up to the door. You ready?
Yep.
Life changing. Here we go.
Oh.
Isn't that crazy?
This is so awesome. Oh,
Absolutely
holy
insane.
moly.
Denali Ultimate, fully loaded truck, massaging seats, the whole nine.
Oh my
The
gosh.
truck is like, I would say if we want to all agree as a team, the Ultimates are probably one of our favorites, I would say. Can't really beat it, so.
I just need a trampoline to jump in there right now.
Well, good thing for you,
yeah.
we got the steps.
Yep.
So, say hello to your new truck, man. So I know it probably doesn't feel real, but how crazy is this, huh?
Oh my God, look
This
at
is
it.
insane.
It's
Isn't that
so
crazy?
Nice.
Yo, it's beautiful.
This is my
Oh my
ride.
Oh yeah, she's
Back
already
here.
claiming it.
Woo.
Shaking, yeah.
Oh, I'm
I
a
would
little
be
shaky
too.
Right
Be
now.
careful. Don't shake too much.
Oh, it's not too slippery. This shoe's got some grip.
Whoa!
Ooh.
Good?
Yep, thank you. Thank you. Thank you for catching me there. That got scary.
You did most of the work yourself.
Oh my gosh. This is insane.
So cool.
I mean, this truck's badass. Like, it
Oh,
really
it's-
is.
It's gorgeous. Holy hell.
Only the Ultimates have the brown interior too, so it's really cool. It's
Definitely
elegant.
keep these crutches nice and close.
Grab that old shit bar. There's sticks for you while
There
you're
you
up
go. Thank you.
Can you do that? Oh,
What do you think?
yay.
There you go.
Oh my gosh.
Congratulations, man.
Oh, thank you so
thank you,
much.
thank
Thank you so much.
It's crazy.
This is
Oh
awesome.
my gosh. I'm so happy.
Brand new, dude.
Oh yeah.
Crazy.
Denali's are wild. Wild. If you got in that and then went over and sat in a Ford, you feel like you're in a spaceship in these things.
Yeah.
They're so freaking cool.
This is amazing.
Absolutely. This truck's sick. They're all pretty sick, but the Ultimate is like, it's awesome.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah. Man, I'm still trying to calm down my nerves here.
It's a good thing, man. Should be fired up.
So I take it you guys are in the more rural part of Illinois?
Yeah, pretty
How
much.
far out of Chicago?
But we're down by St. Louis.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right. So this will fit in.
Yeah.
You don't got to rent
My
3
truck-
parking spots.
My truck looks very similar.
Oh, you have a Denali?
It's Ford.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's lifted, big
got
tires.
all
Just like it's 2019. I
little
told him
brother just whipped
I
his
would
wang
trade
out on
mine
you.
to him and give you some money.
I don't think I can trade you a truck now.
Yeah, now that he sees it.
Yeah,
no.
it's different in person, ain't it?
You should have put a blindfold over my eyes and be like, oh, the truck looks horrible.
So are you gonna keep the skid, or you're gonna send this on its way? Or you haven't figured it out yet?
I haven't figured it out yet.
Do you
I
have
haven't
property?
completely figured it out. I've actually got property in Missouri, so. Yep.
Skids are. Have you ever owned a skid?
No, I've used his though.
They're freaking
I have
nice
3
to
of them.
have around. They're definitely nice to have around. And the Kubotas are meant for us big boys.
Yeah.
The cats are a lot tighter cabin. Each one of them have their, what kind do you have?
I have a Takeuchi,
Okay.
and I do have
All
a
three?
Bobcat. I have 2 Takeuchis, TL12 and a TL250,
Oh, okay.
and a Bobcat.
So do yours allow you to have the door open while you're operating?
The Bobcat does not.
Right.
The Takeuchis do.
They do?
Yeah.
That's what's nice about the Kubota over the cats that we
Does
like
it
to
slide
buy.
inside?
It slides
Yeah.
up and locks in place, and you can get out at any point in operation. And the cats, you have to be all the way lowered down to open the door to get out. No fresh air through the front if you wanted to, yelling at people, cussing at your brother, he's not working fast enough.
Oh yeah.
So, how many times have you entered a wheel? Is this your first giveaway that you had?
No, I've been entering since 2020.
That is
So-
crazy. That's crazy.
I bought from you guys in 2020, the first time I saw y'all on Facebook.
Where does white fall into your favorites and colors of vehicles?
One of them, it's either white or like the gunmetal gray. My
So,
two
so you're a
favorites.
fan that you want
Oh,
a
yeah.
white car. And this is Reed, our painter's not here, but I think it's a tri-coat, so it's like a big deal color. It's got a lot of depth.
She's pretty. Still can't believe it.
It's pretty wild, man. I'd imagine you're going to feel that way until you roll into your driveway.
Maybe for the next year or so.
Next year? Yeah.
I'll still be sitting there like, did I really
Man,
win that?
I hope you're right. I hope it doesn't lose its luster for that long, man.
Oh yeah, I think I'll be excited about this for a long time.
Well, you deserve it, man. We love it when vets roll through the door. That's our favorite.
I think I'm gonna drive this till the wheels fall off.
Is your wife excited?
Oh yeah, she's super excited. She wished she could be here, but she just started a new job, so she couldn't
Nice.
really call off that job.
What was her reaction like when you told her?
She didn't believe me. She didn't believe me. She would, like my mom over there. She was with me at Denny's when I got the call, and I've been telling her about this damn truck since I started ordering from you guys. I was like, oh, there's a nice truck. Oh, there's a nice truck. Kept ordering. I'd order here and there when I need work stuff, when I need work clothes. Oh yeah, she didn't believe me either. She was sitting there like, there's no way, you just won that truck.
I remember this story now. You were at a veterans outing,
Yep.
and he had to call multiple times, and then
Oh,
you
yeah,
finally were like, "What the heck?"
I looked at
Picked
my
up.
phone twice. I got 2 calls. I looked at it. I was like, well, who's calling me from Michigan? And then I saw it again. Well, stop calling me. And then he called again. And my mom literally said, before he said that, Mom said, you need to answer that. It could be the truck.
No kidding. You willed it.
Well, I didn't.
You were
think
joking
it was the
about it.
truck.
You were joking.
And then I said, if it's about your extended warranty, you can hang up.
That's
Answer it.
awesome.
And he started talking about winning something. My hand was already shaking. My body was already
Did you
sweating.
believe it enough to share it with your buddies?
What was that?
Did you believe it enough to share it with your
Oh, yeah.
buddies?
Oh yeah, I believed 100% I won this truck. When he called and I heard his name, I was like, oh, wait a minute.
We didn't believe it until we saw the video, though, until we saw him. Yeah. I was skeptical.
Well, he said once that you said it, he recognized your voice.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
And it was on Veterans Day, right?
Yep. On
Man,
Veterans Day. The moment he called, I recognized when he said Steve, I was like, I know Steve. Why do I know Steve? And then he started talking about a giveaway, and I was like, this is Own Boss. This is Steve from Own Boss.
And that's
Holy hell.
exactly what his face
This
was
is
like.
happening.
That was what it looked like. And I'm like, that's our truck. And then I said bad words. I said, you won that truck, didn't you?
it's quite the blessing, man. It's very
Oh
cool.
yeah. I'm excited. I'm
You
so
should be.
excited.
Oh, it's so fabulous.
The lease is up in 6 months, but have fun till then, dude.
I got a little too excited going around the truck. I need to slow down there.
You know, as adults, we get very few of those moments, don't we? To
Oh,
be
yeah.
truly excited.
Whew.
I can't wait to drive this. They let me drive it every once
The
in a while.
Kubota?
Yeah.
Yeah, you got to.
They let mom drive things like that every once in a while.
My heart's racing right now.
You guys, it hasn't even finished yet. We get to sign the title. You get to get a check or a transfer.
Wire transfer.
Yes, that's cool.
Then you get to drive
my
home.
gosh.
Which, I tell everyone, I don't think it's going to hit until You literally are leaving with your family. You're driving for a couple of hours. You get gas, and you're like, you go to the gas station, you come back out, and you're like, what the hell? Like, unlock, like, and it still probably won't hit. And you're gonna go to bed, and then wake up in the morning, and the truck's still there. No one repoed it. Like, it's like still in your driveway. And you're like, oh shoot, where did I put the machine at? Like,
Nobody took the truck.
Still in this cast for another couple months, so I'm not even going to be able to drive it. I don't think it's going to hit until I can drive it around.
That's true. That's like a kicking the ball down the road.
I'm going to be staring at
I
it.
got to drive it home.
I'm going to be sitting. I told my wife I'm going to be sitting in the driver's seat when she comes home from work, just going vroom, vroom. And she said, just listening to the engine. I was like, no, I'm going to be making the noise. I'm going to be vroom, 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 vroom. I'm going to be like a little kid sitting in the driver's seat. Just. Yeah, one of our family friends, he called me a couple days after I won this, and he goes, man, you need to, watch what you're doing. And I was like, what do you mean? He goes, my wife's chasing me around with a baseball bat trying to break my leg. She figures there's winning coming with broken legs, so she's trying to break my leg.
There's a lot of other steps, I think, in there. You got to serve for 10 years in the military, be a happy person, be a good person. Don't skip those steps.
and he entered for 5 years.
And you were, yeah.
Oh yeah, I ain't gonna lie. There was one entering that I put a lot of money into. The tan truck that you guys gave away not too long ago. I put a good amount of money into that one. I was excited about that one. I was hoping I won that one.
You'd be happy about the guy who did win that. He was a young kid, 20 years old, already had his pilot's license.
Holy crap.
Yeah.
Already had his pilot? That's crazy.
Yeah.
Took me 5 years to get this truck. If you're wanting to set up like this, keep on going for it. Maybe one day can be yours.
100%. Dang. That's crazy. From 2020, from the conception of Own Boss, this man has been purchasing with us. And it's that kind of support is why we do this for you guys as well. So it's absolutely insane, the support you guys give us. So, kudos to you, man. It's incredible. Again, you guys are the reason that we get to keep doing this and the reason that we want to keep doing it. So it's like hearing that, that's awesome. And
I bought my first stuff in hopes of winning a truck. After the first couple purchases, I started buying because I liked the equipment. Like, it'd be awesome to win a truck, but I like your guys' shirts. I like wearing them. I think they feel good. Winning a truck was an awesome thought, but I just liked buying the clothes.
Nice.
I liked buying the gear.
That's awesome to hear.
Makes good Christmas gifts too.
100%, 100%. And the always remember, is it never forget? What's the bracelet?
Yep, never forget.
Never forget. Man, I can't even remember the name of it. But those are pretty sweet bracelets. And we had them, and I was taking the product shots of them. Like, these are legit.
It's a little fidget spinner. That's what it is. It's got this little shackle on it.
Yeah, the buckle. You spin it back and forth.
It's like a little truck shackle.
Yeah, it is. Nice, dude. I love that. Fidget spinners, dude. Let's go. Oh, last thing.
I'll advertise for you.
I appreciate that. Let's go. You viewing your life. Everybody's the boss of their own life. Whether they own a business and they're the boss of some business or not. But what does being your own boss mean and look like to you?
Oh, I own that shit.
I love that.
Being a boss of my life is being the provider in my family. Being the one to go have a hard day of work. I plow snow in the wintertime. I go through hard winters where it's cold. It's being the provider. Being the provider of the household. That's what own boss means to me.
100%. Man, that was spot on. I mean, I don't think we could end any better than that. I mean, you're the boss of the house. You're like, I'm the provider. That's done deal. Mm-hmm. Love that, man. Well, I appreciate you sitting down, answering some questions, and hanging out for a minute. All right, we are gonna head over to the notary at the bank and get this man's title signed, and they're gonna be on their way here pretty shortly. All right, that's the man's title right there. This is the notary. Let's go make it official.
Let's go.
Heck yeah, dude.
Official. Title signed. It's notarized. We're ready to rip. Let's head back to HQ and get this man in his brand new setup.
Yes, sir.
Hell yeah. I didn't know there were speakers back here. That's awesome.
Yeah. All working.
Should have got that one.
Something new.
It's the kicker audio too.
That's
It sounds
It's cool as shit.
And that's coming out of a tailgate.
That's insane, dude. Cool, man. Well, let's get you guys ripping. It is going to get dark here soon and get you
Get you somewhat on the way. Yeah. Hey, these guys are about to take this ultimate setup home right now. I'm gonna pull out the media barn, and they're basically gonna be on their way.
Setup, it's insane.
Grateful that you guys got it, man.
I'm stoked.
I'm grateful for you to have you as a winner, and I'm, congratulate you once again. So it's a cool experience. Hopefully you guys enjoy it, make some money with it, and do whatever you gotta do with it. So congratulations.
Sounds good. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. All of y'all are awesome.
Absolutely.
He showed up for Winter Day. We just flew him in, landed in Detroit, got driven down here. Now he's sitting in the truck, title signed. The cash is coming his way. I mean, unbelievable. He's taking home a brand new Ultimate. This thing only has a few thousand miles on it, and maybe, a couple hundred of those are ours from driving it around doing media. He's taking home the Kubota and the gooseneck. It's unreal. So, congratulations again, Josh.
Thank you.
That's pretty sick. I'm so pumped for you, man.
Oh, I'm excited.
From the call to now, man, it was nice meeting you guys. Your mom's here, your brother's here. It's just such a full circle moment. So, congratulations. Absolutely. And if you want to be like Josh, there's another beautiful setup live right here. And this man painted it, and this guy helped paint it, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. OB40 is still live. And also hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, because these Winter Day videos aren't stopping. They're just getting better. It's freezing cold. My fingers are literally starting to get stiff. So I'm gonna get out of here and let these guys get on the way to St. Louis, and let these guys get on their way to Illinois. Here we go.
Be like Josh.
Be like Josh. Yeah, be like Josh. That's
Be
all
like
you gotta
Josh.
do. Hell yeah.
It's a gorgeous truck. It's not my personal color, but I like this color. This truck is cool. Yeah, wait until you see it in the sun and it really pops. You'll love it a lot more. You can't really see the metallics and all the pearls and everything in it when it's not sunny out. The second that sun hits it, dude, you'll be blown away. Can't wait to see it.
Oh, I'm excited for you guys. It's such a sick truck. All right, we'll let you go.
All right, see you guys. Drive safe.
Come on.
I test drove one of these a week before he won.
No way.
Yeah, because I was thinking about getting one.
Yeah.
Then he won. I'm like, God, you son of a bitch.
They're super sick, man. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, you too.
Absolutely, man. Safe travels.
Thank you.
Oh, sorry.
Hey, looks wild, but you know